Friends, this is our third video on lane keeping. The first was on lane departure warning, the second on lane keeping assist, and as is evident from the thumbnail, the topic of this video is lane centering assist. All three of these systems are related to lane keeping, but there is a difference in their functionalities. If you haven't seen the first two videos, then watch them first because many basic concepts related to lane keeping have been explained deeply in them. Links to those videos have been provided in the description. The function of lane centering assist is clear from its name itself. The job of this system is to keep the car exactly in the center of the lane, meaning in the middle. It continuously provides steering correction so that the vehicle remains exactly in the center of the lane. In some models, this is integrated with adaptive cruise control. The multi-purpose camera mounted on the vehicle's front screen continuously monitors the lane markings made on the road and keeps checking whether the vehicle is in the middle of the lane or not. If the system feels that the vehicle is moving to the right or left side, then it keeps the vehicle in the center of the lane while making minor steering corrections. To provide continuous steering assistance to keep the vehicle exactly in the center of the lane, despite the driver being tired or having lost focus, making driving easy and safe on long journeys. Although this system automatically keeps the vehicle in the center of the lane, keeping hands on the steering wheel is recommended for the driver. So now let's quickly understand the difference between the functionalities of these three related systems. Lane departure warning only gives an alert. It does not assist. Lane keeping assist not only gives an alert but also saves the vehicle from going out of the lane through light steering correction or one-side braking. And lane centering assist actively keeps the vehicle in the center of the lane. So brothers, this was a technical explanation of lane centering assist. If you want to learn EFI auto electrician work and want to professionally understand the electrical systems of modern cars, then do not forget to subscribe to the channel because here you get that information which is required to become an expert technician.